I don't know if you guys know this, but when you don't give your dogs anything to eat, they just go in the grass and start looking for bones. I can't believe they can find them. Rosie! What you doing, Rosie? so hey again, it's my second or third video. Oh no, my second video. Cause the last video, that was supposed to be my second one, but it didn't work so far. Anyways, I said I'll take a video of my dogs yesterday. I said that, but here we go, and here they are. Where the heck is Rosie going? Cheekies, come back! What the heck is going on there? Science wins. There I am holding the camera, aka my tablet. What the heck? I could barely see them. This is when your dogs have nothing to do. It looks like Rosie's leaving. Rosie! Oh god. Oh god. Here comes round two. Can you even see her? She's a little midget. She's a fighting midget. Hi chickies, how you been? Just waiting for her to come back. Just waiting for her to come back. Rosie! The reason why they're outside is because my mom's not going to be inside either, not even me. Because I take care of them outside like every day. And plus, I need some exercise, which is why I take them out. and because my mom's going to go work over there, if you could see that, to like move some boxes and some bags of our clothes or shoes from like the past 10 years, I think. Yes, I'm 10 years old. Anyways, chickies, how are you feeling? Let's go in, Rosie. Rosie! She's a midget. She can fight, and she's a little freaking midget. The freaking midget. Yeah, here she goes. I don't even know what's going on here. Little midget. I think they're following me. Here we go, kids. Always take your dogs out. If you have dogs. Or cats. You can take them out, too. What the heck are they doing? Why is Cheeky's beds out there? Speaking of which, that's Rosie's bed. Bed. That's Cheeky's bed. Can you guys please stop? Hold up. Can you guys stop this?
Ya no la aguanta, le grita. Está bien enojada la...
Okay, I think we finished. Nope, they're coming for more. I don't know what's going on here. Let's go follow them. Oh God.
Porque todavía no voy a poner la carne.
Okay.
Para que ya se esté cociendo. Me gusta.
If you're wondering what that barking is, it's like our neighbor's house. Okay. It's our neighbor's house, actually. Sorry, guys. It's just my throat hasn't been. Well, I don't know. I was just running. She barks so cute. Well, I think that's it for the rest of this video, guys. If you want to see more of this, leave a comment down below, or challenges you could give me, or what to do, or what games I have. I only have a few games for like my PlayStation 3, because I only got my PlayStation 3 last year, and I don't got that much games, because I only have Minecraft, Call of Duty Black Ops 3. I barely just got that. Minecraft story mode. You know, that's pretty much it. Or do I have another game? In any case, this is my PlayStation. I don't know. This is my controller. So that's it for this video, guys, and I'll see you all later. Bye-bye.